Many people struggle with dandruff and hair loss. These conditions can be embarrassing and impact self-esteem. It is important to know you are not alone. Effective treatments are available. We will explore the causes and solutions for dandruff and hair loss. Dandruff is a common scalp condition. It causes flaking and itching. Several factors can contribute to dandruff. These include dry skin, sensitivity to hair products, and an overgrowth of a common yeast. Several treatments can effectively address dandruff. Antifungal shampoos can control yeast overgrowth. Medicated shampoos with ingredients like zinc pyrithione and selenium sulfide can also help. Using a gentle shampoo and avoiding harsh hair products can also be beneficial. Lifestyle changes can also play a role in managing dandruff. Managing stress through techniques like exercise or meditation can be helpful. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats supports overall skin health. Hair loss is another common concern. It can be caused by various factors, including genetics, hormonal changes, medical conditions, and certain medications. Understanding the cause of your hair loss is crucial for determining the best course of treatment. There are several approaches to address hair loss. Medications like minoxidil can help slow down hair loss and promote hair regrowth. Finasteride is another medication that can be effective for male pattern baldness. Lifestyle modifications can also contribute to healthier hair. A balanced diet rich in protein, iron, and other essential nutrients is crucial for hair growth. Stress management techniques like yoga and meditation can also be beneficial. For more advanced hair loss, several treatments are available. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP therapy, involves injecting concentrated platelets from your blood into your scalp. This stimulates hair growth by promoting cell regeneration. Another advanced treatment is low-level laser therapy. This non-invasive procedure uses laser light to stimulate hair follicles and encourage hair growth. It is a painless treatment that can be incorporated into your hair care routine. These advanced treatments offer promising results for individuals experiencing significant hair loss. Consulting a qualified dermatologist or hair loss specialist will help determine the best approach for your specific needs. Hair transplantation is a surgical procedure that involves transplanting hair follicles from one part of the body to the balding area. It is a permanent solution for hair loss. This procedure is particularly effective for individuals with male or female pattern baldness. There are two main techniques: follicular unit transplantation, or FUT, and follicular unit extraction, or FUE. FUT involves removing a strip of scalp from the donor area and dissecting individual hair follicles for transplantation. FUE extracts individual follicles directly from the donor area using a specialized punch tool. Hair transplantation offers a natural-looking and long-lasting solution for hair loss. Consulting a reputable hair transplant surgeon is essential to determine your candidacy and discuss expectations. Sri Lanka has emerged as a leading destination for medical tourism, particularly for hair restoration procedures. The country offers high-quality medical care at affordable prices, making it an attractive option for individuals seeking hair loss solutions. Sri Lanka boasts a skilled and experienced pool of hair transplant surgeons who are trained in the latest techniques. The hospitals and clinics are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and adhere to international standards of safety and hygiene. Beyond medical expertise, Sri Lanka offers a rich cultural experience. Patients can combine their hair restoration journey with exploring the country's stunning beaches, ancient temples, and lush tea plantations. Recovering from hair loss treatments, whether medical or surgical, requires patience and adherence to post-treatment instructions. Your doctor will provide specific guidelines on wound care, medications, and lifestyle modifications. It is crucial to maintain a healthy lifestyle during the recovery process. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques can support healing and promote optimal hair growth. Regular follow-up appointments with your doctor are essential to monitor your progress and address any concerns. Following their guidance diligently will maximize your chances of achieving the desired results. Dandruff and hair loss can significantly impact confidence and self-esteem. However, with advancements in medical and lifestyle treatments, effective solutions are within reach. Understanding the causes and exploring various treatment options can empower individuals to take control of their hair health. Whether it's managing dandruff with medicated shampoos or opting for advanced hair loss treatments like hair transplantation, there is a solution for every individual's needs. Embrace these advancements and embark on a journey to reclaim your confidence and embrace a head full of healthy hair.